Hello and welcome to The Brief, where we bring you key economic developments that occurred in the previous week and key activities to watch in the new week. It is the last week of June 2022, and the uncertainty over the nation's petroleum subsidy regime is already leading to unbearable fuel queues. For the key socioeconomic events from last week, during a ministerial tour of the Lagos ports, Minister of State for Transportation, Mrs. Bemisola Saraki, said that the state of Tinkan Island Seaport has shown decades of neglect. As petrol scarcity in Lagos, Abuja, and other cities persist, petroleum products marketers under the aegis of Major Oil Marketers Association of Nigeria have said the most viable solution to the supply and distribution challenges is full deregulation of the downstream oil and gas sector. For the week ended 24 June 2022, the key highlights revealed the following from the market. For the listed equities market, NGX ASI recorded a minus 0.14% loss week on week, and the NASD OTC closed positive with a plus 0.50% gain. The INEFX and NFX rate closed positive, the BDC rates closed flat, the Brent crude oil and WTI crude oil prices moved downwards at the end of the week. The FMDQ debt market size closed positive, while the FX ACI closed positive. Same with the AAI index, which closed negative. From what to expect from the markets this week, published by ProShare, oil prices are expected to stabilize as oversupply constraint fears. From the money market, ProShare analysts expect the interbank rate to decline to a single digit with the inflow of FAC allocation. For the treasury bills market, analysts expect the market activity to improve this week in expectation of robust liquidity from the inflow of FAC allocation. In the secondary market, ProShare expects activities to be relatively quiet in the coming week as investors' enthusiasm towards the raised yield will begin to wear off. Looking at the economic, financial, and capital market events to watch this week, on Tuesday, June 28, 2022, Lafarge Africa will hold the 5th edition of its Concrete Ideas session focusing on the theme Building Up Safely Government-Industry Collaborations. It will have as special guest of honor Lagos State Governor Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu. Venue is Eko Hotel and Suite while the time is 10 a.m. On the same date, Leapworld, in collaboration with the Small and Medium Enterprise Development Association of Nigeria, will commemorate the UN World SME Day with a webinar that will have Mr. Olawale Fasoyan, DG Smedan, and Mr. Segun Mojid, President of CIPM, as part of the speakers. The chief host is Funke Medun, Managing Director, Leapworld. Time for the session is 11 a.m. On the same date, the Debt Management Office will, in collaboration with CL Stockbroking, host the Northern edition of the Investment Opportunities in FGN Securities. Venue is Taha Guest Palace off Amadu Bello Way, Kano. Time is 10:30 a.m. On Wednesday, June 29, 2022, the Nigeria British Chamber of Commerce will host a discourse on Nigeria's downstream oil and gas, navigating post-Petroleum Industry Act realities. Mr. Adetunji Oyedbanji, MD, 11 PLC, Mr. Ed Ubong, MD, Shell Nigeria Gas, and Mrs. Audrey Jo Ezigbo, Deputy Managing Director of Falcon Corporation, will be speakers. Time for the event is 9 a.m. and will take a hybrid format. The Chartered Institute of Bankers of Nigeria, in collaboration with Credit Bureau Association of Nigeria, CBAN, will on Thursday, June 30, 2022, present a stakeholders conference themed Enhancing Financial Inclusion in Nigeria, Changing the Narrative. Time for the event is 10 a.m. On Saturday, July 2nd, 2022, FintechNGR will host the Fintech Platinum Awards at the Rental Hotel, Victoria Island, Lagos, and time for the event is 6 p.m. And that will be all for this edition of The Brief. You can join our website www.proshare.co to read our news stories, reports, and watch our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great week and please stay safe.